Okay, so we've shampooed our hair, and now we are adding the solution. We want to make sure we add the solution all the way close to the scalp to the ends and smooth it in. So it detangles very well. So if you have a problem with a little kinks, definitely go ahead and get those out because we need all the solution on every hair strand. Biotanix, it's basically a hair treatment that uses a unique blend of natural ingredients, including collagen, keratin, argan oil, to strengthen the hair and improve hair strands. Amazing treatment. So, if your client's complaining about frizz, unmanageability, this is the treatment for them. And one thing about it, if you like to wear your hair curly, you can definitely do both without ruining your curl pattern. So the whole system lasts for 3 months. There's a shampoo and conditioner that's recommended to keep the product on the hair. So if you have a lot of split ends, definitely get those taken care of. But one thing the treatment does is seal those split ends. And the more you get it done, the better your hair gets. You won't have as many split ends. You won't have to cut it. You're actually going to retain some length when it comes to wanting to grow your hair out, which is great. It has nanotechnology. It is compatible with any other chemical process, whether it's color, relaxer, it doesn't matter. It's so safe. It's basically a pregnant woman, children, anyone can get the treatment. This whole system, like I said, is a blend of organic amino acids that help to keep the hair smooth. And also, another thing I love about this product, it is 100% formaldehyde free, odorless, hassle free, smoke free, leaves the hair nice and shiny, as you can see in her results. Whether you want your hair straight